Okay, we have a Daewoo Vertical Machining Center, model DMV 3016L, serial number NM4100084. Machine was new in 2005, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a Fanuc Series I control, 24 tool side mount ATC, Cat 40 spindle. Right now we're running at 2,000 RPM. It goes up to 8,000 RPM. 4,000. Machine's very quiet. This is original paint. 6,000 RPM. You have 30 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, and 20 of Z. And you have a 17.7 by 36 inch T-slotted table. We're simulating a tool change. Again, that's a side mount tool changer, 24 ATC positions, 24 positions. There you go again. That's your Z. Quiet. Y. And your X. Okay, hey, you also have a remote jog handle. Thank you for watching our video.